everyone, and welcome to Yummy Cooking with Payshintz. Today I'm making a grilled fish with Gremolata sauce, and I have a Branzino fish, so we're gonna cook this on the grill. It's gonna be easy, it's gonna be simple, and it's gonna be delicious. So let's get started. It's time to make our Gremolata sauce. This is gonna have an herb and citrus flavor. Start with your parsley, minced garlic, diced lemons. Make sure you keep the flesh and the rind on the lemon. And add the olive oil and mix it up really well. Next, we're gonna add chili flakes. It's personal preference. You can add a lot or you can add a little. And when you're done, mix it really well and set it to the side. Now we're going to prepare our ingredients for the fish. I have one whole lemon here and I'm gonna chop it up in slices. And the lemon is to balance the fish flavor. Pat the fish dry so it can cause proper browning and slight crispiness. So make sure you do it inside and outside. Score 3 deep cuts in the fish, and the reason why I picked 3 because I always love a party of 3, and this causes the fish to cook quickly and evenly. Season the inside of the fish with salt and pepper. Now I'm going to use about a tablespoon of olive oil and brush it on the fish from head to tail. Make sure you do it on both sides. And the reason why we do this is because it keeps the fish from burning on the grill and it makes it nice and crispy. And also, it helps the seasoning stay on the fish. So now I'm gonna salt it and put pepper on both sides. I'm going to stuff the fish with our lemon slices. Add a bunch of thyme, a small bunch, that's fine. And then 1 long sprig of rosemary. And we're good to go. Now we're going to grill our fish. Our heat's on medium-high. Our grills are all oiled, so let's put it on. And I'm gonna cook this for about 5 minutes. Now it's time to flip our fish over because it's 5 minutes. I'm gonna baste our fish with about a tablespoon of butter. So I baste one side and I want it to be crispy and have that extra flavor. Look how crispy one side is. I'm gonna also put butter on this side as well. And add our extra lemons that we had and cook it for another 5 minutes. Our fish is ready. Now carefully remove it from the grill. And let's take a look at it. Ooh, wow. Look at that crispy color. Pretty. All right, our fish is all grilled up. And now we're gonna dress it up with a little Gremolata sauce. So, I'm gonna stir it up a little bit, make sure it's all mixed up, and I'm gonna top it with our Gremolata sauce. Look how pretty that is. Colors are very vibrant. Now we finished dressing our grilled fish with our Gremolata sauce. We're gonna try it now. So my favorite part of the fish is the tail. I love the tail. To me, it's like the most flavorful part of the fish. So I'm gonna cut a little piece off from the tail. Make sure I get the sauce together with fish. A little sauce. That's very nice. This combination with this fish and the Gremolata sauce, it just brings out a nice acidic balance. So if you want to try a quick, simple, easy grilled fish with Gremolata sauce, please try my recipe. Well, thank you for watching and see you next time.